Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we explain the 3D car app review in order to see if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the 3D car app is an handy tool for car detailer and enthusiasts, allowing you to browse 3D full lines of premium detailing product, shopping directly in app, and earn reward through their loyalty program. If you are invested in detailing and already trust their brand, it's a neat way to manage purchases and stay updated on sales. On the flip side, the app has some serious drawback. It has been removed from the Apple Store as of late October 2025, meaning you can't download or update it. Also, user mentioned bugs like cat errors and limited browsing features compared to the website. So in my opinion, if you got the app before it was removed, it could still be useful for managing orders and rewards, but for new users, the current unavailability makes it a risk bet. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.